At VictoryXR, we believe museums should be more than places you visit. They should be experiences you step inside. That's why we partner with museums across the country to create immersive, virtual, and mixed reality experiences that transform the way people learn and explore. At the Cook Museum of Natural Science, students and visitors are diving deeper into science through our immersive virtual dissections. These hands-on experiences allow learners to interact with anatomy in ways that are engaging, accessible, and far beyond the limitations of a traditional classroom. At the Putnam Museum and Science Center, we collaborated to develop a custom mixed reality experience that blends the physical and digital worlds together. Visitors can interact with exhibits in entirely new ways through augmented reality, while a companion virtual reality experience allows audiences from anywhere in the world to explore the museum remotely. From virtual dissections to fully customized mixed reality exhibits, VictoryXR is helping museums redefine education, engagement, and accessibility for the next generation of learners. Contact us today to see how you can enhance your museum exhibits.